Hi guys, so if you want to see how I created this look using only these 3 concealers from ColourPop, and keep on watching. So I recently purchased some concealers from ColourPop. So I got 3 shades, and I can't remember who I was watching. I was watching someone and she had the white shade, which I was like, I need this. Like in the winter, I'm so pale, and like I feel like a concealer never really like highlights my face. So I got Fair 00, which is the white, Light 10, which is this nice highlighting shade, and then Deep Dark, which I got for contouring. And I wasn't really sure. I bought it online, of course, because it's ColourPop, and you can't buy ColourPop in Canada in store. So I wasn't really sure what one to get. I tried to find one that I thought would be good for contouring, or like cream contour, or cream bronzer, or whatever. But yeah, and ignore my voice if it sounds a little bit weird. I am just getting over a cold, so yeah. Kind of sucks, but whatever. So I'm going to start off by doing my face, and I'm going to attempt to use all of these and only all of these. So keep on watching if you want to see me create a look using just ColourPop concealers. Okay, so I guess this is a little bit too light for me, obviously, as you can tell. So I'm actually going to mix both of these. Tiny bit of this, of course, and then this. So let's go ahead and start this and use this as a foundation. And I have used these concealers, like, not obviously as foundation stuff, but I have been using them under my eyes, and I've tried contouring or bronzing with the dark one, and it, like I said, is too warm. But if I just use a tiny bit, it works. So that's good, and I really like how yellow this concealer is. It's picking up in camera way yellower than in person, but I really like it. So let's just dab a couple of these everywhere. I look like a freak. I'm going to take my beauty blender from Real Techniques, and I'm going to use this backside here to blend it all in. And these concealers are pretty good with blending out, but I feel like they do take a little bit longer than most products. But I mean, I guess I'm comparing this to a foundation. It is not a foundation, so. But under the eyes, it's amazing. Okay, that's a pretty good match. Over my eye. We're gonna go and do the bronzer first. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this dark one and be very light-handed. You do not need a lot at all. So let's just do like that. And it does need a little bit of help blending out, as, I mean, like I said, it is a concealer. So it's not the thinnest formula. Let's put a tiny bit right here. Okay, that's probably good. So I am gonna put a bit of this with it just to help it blend out. I would use a setting spray, but I don't have one in front of me right now. So let's just use this Versali, I don't know how to pronounce that, Versali Rose Gold Elixir. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and blend that out. I would use a beauty blender, but like I said, I've already used this before trying to do the same thing, and it didn't go well with a beauty blender, so I'm using this stippling brush from Jordan Cosmetics. I love this one. I have it in a bigger size too, but okay, so a little goes a long way. Like you saw, I only put the tiniest little dots, and I didn't even put full pressure, so like that's why I'm doing this first, so that when I do my concealer after, it will kind of blend that back out together. So let's just blend that real good. Kind of lighten it up with whatever's left on this. Once I put that concealer too, it'll probably, you know, even everything out. So I'm gonna keep on blending, because you need to blend a lot with this stuff. So we'll just keep on blending. Okay. Now that we look like a crazy person, let's do our nose contour. So I'm just gonna take this little guy here. It's from Jordan again. Let's go in with this white, and I'm just going to put the teensiest bit. That looks like a lot. It is a lot. I fucked up once again. Okay. Yeah, we're going to do that, and then we're going to go back in with this one. And I really want to dull down that bronzer. So we're going to really accentuate this highlight, kind of to even out that bronzer. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender again and blend this out. And with the Beauty Blender under the eyes, this blends just like amazingly. It's just, I find this dark shade does not want to blend, and it's extremely, extremely warm tone. Like I said, I bought it online, so I couldn't really, you know, get the perfect shade, and I know for next time now not to buy that one. Okay, so I'll just blend this out, and I guess I can't set it with anything. We're just gonna have to go with this, so that's gonna be fun. And I'm just going to tap over it a bit just to settle it out. Once I do that, it looks good. So that's good. Blend. And I feel like you have to work fast. That's another thing with this, is you do have to work extremely fast because it dries. So next time I use it, maybe I'll just do one eye at a time, and then do, you know, my forehead and my chin after, because I mean, it does blend. It just takes a little bit more effort. Okay, so now that that's all blended, I feel like that looks way better. We're going somewhere now. It was ugly before it looked good. That's okay. So I'm gonna cheat a bit. I'm not gonna use any bronzer or anything, but I mean, I do want to set my face, so we're gonna cheat. And I'm gonna take this MARYKAY translucent loose powder, and I'm going to take it on this brush here, and I'm just going to do a light bake. Oh. This powder is amazing, by the way. It's so fine. And it, like, sets everything, but if you have dry skin, it just doesn't, you know, when you bake and if you have dry skin, it like leaves that like flakiness almost. It doesn't do that. Okay, so now that that's all on there, I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm going to put it on my hand actually first. We're gonna learn from our mistakes. So I'm going to put it on my hand, and I'm going to use it to just blend out into my crease. So I'm going to go in with that brush that we used on my nose. And I'm just going to take a tiny, tiny bit, like tiniest bit, rub it off on my hands, because a lot goes a long way with this brown. It's insane. So we're just going to work that in my crease. So I won't use any eyeshadow, nothing. I'll do a cut crease. I'm going to use this brown, blend it in, and then I'm going to cut it with the white. And It's a really nice brown, it is. It's just a little bit too warm for my skin tone. I like that. That's nice. Really blend it out. Of course, it's not supposed to be eyeshadow or freaking I look like a crazy person. That's cool. Okay. Now that's blended out. I'm going to take a bit more and I'm going to pack that right there. I'm going to go in with my little flat brush and we're going to cut that out. So, I honestly have the worst eyes for cutting a crease because I don't have any lid space whatsoever. There we go. So I don't obviously have a lot to work with. I'm working with 3 shades of concealer. I don't really know what else I can do. I am gonna use a highlight. That's a cheat, and all of you should know that's acceptable. Okay. Maybe I will use a black liner. What do you guys think? Should I really cheat it? Maybe I'll do a brown liner. I'll attempt to do a brown liner, guys, for you. I'm doing this for you. While we're at it, let's brush away this powder. I'm going to go in with this little tiny brush from Morphe. And we're going to do wing liner, guys. Maybe I'll do the, like, it goes brown and then it goes white. Yeah, we're going to do that, guys.
This eye? This is not easy.
We're going back in with this brush with the white concealer now. And we're going to end this concealer or this wing liner with white and then blend it in the middle. A little bit of brown and just blend those together so looks like that. Yay! Okay, I'm so happy with how this eye turned out. Not so much this eye. Or we're gonna leave it be. We're gonna move on. We're gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution Vivid Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. I love this because it's literally so golden. And I'm gonna put that on that cut crease. We're going to put it in my inner corner. We're going to put it on my nose. And my Cupid's bow. My eyebrow.
While my eyelash glue is drying, I'm going to pop on mascara. Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
Eyelashes make hell of the world fucking difference, man. These 3 concealers from ColourPop to do this entire look. except for, of course, my eyelashes, and I threw on some highlighter and setting powder. But other than that, this foundation, concealer, cream contour, eyeshadow, eyeliner, everything is done by concealer from ColourPop. And you know what? I didn't do a lip. Let's make a lip. Okay. I'm going to do brown. I'm doing it. It's actually a pretty color, to be honest. I actually like it. Okay. It's super smooth, too. It feels like a really nice lipstick. Guys, I am fucking obsessed with this. It looks so good. Like, I actually want a lipstick this color. I'm not even fucking with you. Everything was done with these 3 concealers. I can't believe I did it. Honestly, I'm very proud of myself that I accomplished this. So, let's do a little montage for you. Really happy with how this look turned out. If you guys like this look as well, give this look a thumbs up, or this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and that little notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. I know this has been a really long time since I have uploaded a video, but I've just been like very unmotivated to do anything because, I don't know, like I just feel like it's not going anywhere, and obviously I know I'm not going to wake up and overnight you know, I'm going to be famous or whatever, but I just want to, you know, make it to that 1,000 mark. That's honestly, like, my dream goal. So if you guys want to, you know, hit that subscribe button and help a sister out, that would be amazing. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. For those of you who already are subscribed, that means the world to me. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye!